Understanding That Really Bugs Me, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the intricacies of the English language with ease. Today, we're exploring a common English phrase, that really bugs me. This idiom might seem peculiar at first glance, but it's widely used in everyday conversation. Join us as we uncover its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. When someone says, "That really bugs me," they're expressing annoyance or irritation about something. The phrase equates the feeling of irritation with the discomfort one might feel if actual bugs were crawling on them. It's important to note that this expression is used to describe mild to moderate annoyance, rather than deep anger or frustration. The term bug, in this context, is believed to have originated from the Middle English word bug, which referred to a frightening specter or a scarecrow. Over time, the meaning evolved to include insects and, metaphorically, anything that annoys or disturbs. By understanding this origin, you can see how the term came to be used in everyday speech to express annoyance. Using "that really bugs me" in conversation is straightforward. It's casual and typically used in informal settings. For example, "It really bugs me when people are late without giving a heads up. The way he chews his food loudly really bugs me." You can also make it a question to express empathy or inquire about someone's feelings. "Does it bug you when the neighbors play loud music at night?" There are several variations of this phrase that you can use to diversify your vocabulary. For example, "It irks me," a less casual, slightly more formal way to express the same feeling. "It annoys me," a direct and clear way to convey irritation. "That gets under my skin," a more vivid expression, implying something is more deeply irritating. We hope this exploration of "that really bugs me" has shed light on how versatile and expressive the English language can be. By understanding and using phrases like this, you can add nuance and depth to your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discovery. Keep experimenting with new expressions, and don't let the bugs get you down. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. See you in the next video.